Hello, good morning, all of you. I hope that you all are fine, students. So today I'm going to teach you exercise 19D. Okay, this is chapter number 19. Wait for a minute. So here we are dividing the given algebraic expression. Okay, so 3a by a means 3 upon a cancel. Your answer is 3. And second part 15x by 3x. So 15x upon 3x, x cancel. 3 5 are 15, 5 is the answer. Then 16m by 4. So 16m upon 4, 4 4s are 16. 4m is the answer. Now 20x square upon 5x. So I will write 20 into x into x. X square means x into x. Okay. And upon 5x, so x cancel. 5 4s are 20. So the answer is 4x. Okay. 4 and x. So the answer is 4x. Is it clear? Now fifth part is 30p square by 10p square. So you will write 30p square upon 40p square. So p square cancel, 0 0 cancel. Your answer is 3 upon 4. So is it simple or is it difficult? What is this?
The simple.
Yes. Beta, I cannot mute everyone today because I cannot read your comments. So I cannot mute you. But I would like to request all of you not to make a noise and sit in a silent place so that there should not be any background noise, or we can study this class very well. Okay, so question 2 says simplify. Part 1 is 2x raised to power 5. It is 2x raised to power 5 upon x square. Okay, instead of writing divide sign, I have written upon. Okay, so 2x raised to power 5 upon x square. So now it is 2 into x into x into x into x into x. How many times? 5 times. Because the power of x is 5, so that is why I have written x 5 times upon x raised to power 2. So this is x into x. Okay, now x, this x and this x cancel. Now what is left? 2x raised to power 3. Is it clear? 2x raised to power 3. Is it clear or not? Students,
Yes, sir.
6a 8 raised to power 8 upon 3a raised to power 3. So there is one more method by which we can do this. And what is the other method? The other method is we have to subtract the power of the same variable. What I am repeating again, we have to subtract what? Subtract powers of the variable. Okay, so it will be 6 upon 3 a raised to power 8 minus 3. What I have done, you have to subtract the power of the denominator variable to the power of the numerator variable. This 3 will go upside, so it will be in minus. Okay, so it will be 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So 2a raised to power 8 minus 3 is 5. This is your answer.
Sir, please unmute everybody again.
I cannot mute. How many times shall I say this thing? I cannot mute everyone because I cannot read your comments. So how would I come to know if it is clear to you or not? that is why I am requesting all of you to sit in a in such a background where there is no background voice, or keep yourself mute. अपने आप को म्यूट कर लो जब क्वेश्चन करना हो, then you can unmute yourself. Who is Oppo F5? Oppo F5. Tell me your name. Oppo F5. Okay, so question second, minus 15 p raised to power 6 q raised to power 8, and we have to divide. So I am writing it, I'm writing the sign of upon and then minus 5 p raised to power 6 and q raised to power 7. So students, minus minus cancel, 5 and the 5, 5 3s are 15, p raised to power 6, p raised to power 6 cancel. So you have got 3 and q raised to power 8 minus 7, because when this 7 will go upside, क्योंकि q like term है, q और q नीचे भी है, तो like terms हमेशा like terms की power minus हो जाती है. So 3 q raised to power 1, 8 minus 7 is 1, so 3q. Your answer is 3q. Okay. Next, third. Let us do now question number third, which says minus 21 m raised to power 5 n raised to power 7, and we have to divide it by 14 m square n square. So I will write it minus 21 m raised to power 5 n raised to power 7 upon 14 m raised to power 2 n raised to power 2. So 7 3s are 15. 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 14. So you will get minus 3 upon 2 and m raised to power 5 minus 2 and n raised to power 7 minus 2. Okay. Nobody is asking me, sir, why this is happening. Nobody is questioning me. Only you are just watching, huh? Minus 3 upon 2 m raised to power 3 into n raised to power 3. 5 minus 2 is 3 and 7 minus 2 is 5. So your answer is minus 3 m cube n is n raised to power 5 upon 2. This is the final answer. Now question number 4. It says 36 a raised to power 4 x raised to power 5 y raised to power 6 upon 4 x square a raised to power 3 y raised to power 2. So we can write it as 4 1s are 4, 4 9s are 36, so 9, and a raised to power 4, a raised to power 3, so it will be a raised to power 4 minus 3 into x raised to power 5, x raised to power 2, तो x raised to power 5 minus 2, नीचे वाली जो पावर है ऊपर जाके माइनस हो जाएगी, and then y raised to power 6, y raised to power 2, so 6 minus 2, so it will be 9 a raised to power 1, x raised to power 3, y raised to power 4. So finally your answer is 9ax cube y raised to power 4. This is the final answer. Now question number 5, do and tell me the answer. M raised to power 5 n raised to power 2 upon minus 3 m raised to power 5. So beta minus minus cancel, 3 5s are 15, m raised to power 5 m raised to power 5 cancel. So 5 n is
5 n square. 5 n square. 5 n square.
सेकेंड. अभी ये देखो, ये लास्ट एक्सरसाइज है अलजेब्रा, ठीक है, लास्ट एक्सरसाइज है. इसके बाद आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट ज्योमेट्री, और ज्योमेट्री में लिटरली आई एश्योर यू कि आपको बहुत ज्यादा मजा आने वाला है, ठीक है. ज्योमेट्री में बहुत ज्यादा मजा आएगा और हम लोग बहुत अच्छे से ज्योमेट्री पढ़ने वाले हैं, तो कोई भी क्लासेस मिस नहीं करोगे. और ज्योमेट्री बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग सब्जेक्ट है, बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक है मैथ्स, ठीक है.
Geometry.
Yeah. So from tomorrow, I hope that I will start it. Okay, so 35
Yes,
x
sir.
raised to power 4 y square upon minus 15x square y
Sir,
square. So look at this. We can reduce it by 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 7s are 35. So it is minus 7 upon 3. अब आप कहोगे सर माइनस तो डिनोमिनेटर में था, न्यूमरेटर में क्यों लगा दिया? तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है whether you put it in denominator or numerator, but standard form में न्यूमरेटर में ही माइनस होना चाहिए, डिनोमिनेटर में नहीं होना चाहिए. That is why I have written in
minus 7 upon
10 x
3,
to power
then x square.
x raised to power 4 minus 2 and y square cancel. So minus 7 upon 3
Minus 7 upon 3, x square. Question 5. Question 1 is power 6. Then. Oh.
Okay, fine. So let us do now the third question, which is minus 24 x raised to power 6 y raised to power 2 upon 6 x raised to power 6 y. Okay, so 6 4s are 24, so you will get minus 4. First of all, minus 4, then x raised to power 6, x raised to power 6 cancelled, and y square minus 1. क्यों? Because यहाँ y की power 1 है, तो ऊपर जाएगा तो 2 minus 1 होगा. So minus 4y. This is
Minus 4 upon 6, y raised to power 1.
yes. Okay, so this is all done. This is the last part. Last question of
Yes,
exercise. Divide 9x cube
5, 6.
minus 6x square upon 3x. देखो बाई के बाद जो है वो आप अपॉन में लिखोगे. अब ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी हो सकता है. Why? Because आप कहोगे कि यहाँ पे मैंने कहा था डिवाइड हम तभी कर सकते हैं जब दोनों ऊपर में यानी डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई हो. बट देयर इज नो मल्टीप्लीकेशन इन द इन द न्यूमरेटर. देखो डिवाइड तभी कर सकते हैं जब न्यूमरेटर में मल्टीप्लाई हो, बट देयर इज नो मल्टीप्लिकेशन इन द न्यूमरेटर, देयर इज सब्ट्रैक्शन, सो इट विल बी डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू. अभी हम चाहे तो x को x से या 3 को 6 से रिड्यूस कर दे या 3 को 9 से, ऐसा नहीं कर सकते. सो वी हैव टू फर्स्ट राइट 9x raised to power 3 upon 3x minus 6x square upon 3x. ऐसा क्यों किया? ये 3x क्या किया, इसको इसके भी अपॉन में लिखा और इसके भी अपॉन में लिखा. ये आपको करना है. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
ये बेटा ये जो स्टेप है ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है समझना. ये 3x को जो यानी जो डिनोमिनेटर में होगा उसको हम दोनों टर्म्स, ये देखो ये फर्स्ट टर्म है ये सेकंड टर्म है, तो दोनों टर्म के अपॉन में लिखेंगे और बीच में वही साइन होगा जो बीच में है. अगर यहाँ प्लस होता तो बीच में प्लस लगा देते. क्लियर? नाउ अब हम
Yes,
इसको
sir.
कर सकते हैं. 3 1 3 3 3 9 एंड x यहाँ पे क्या होगा, x को जब करोगे तो ये आ जाएगा, एक तो 3 आ जाएगा और x की पावर 3 माइनस 1. ओके, अभी आप x को अगर रिड्यूस नहीं कर रहे हो तो ऐसे कर लो.
Yes, sir.
3 की x की पावर 1 है, x की पावर 1 तो 3 माइनस 1 एंड इट विल बी 3 1 3 3 2 6, so 2x की पावर 2 minus 1, so it will be 3
2 raised
square
to power
minus
1.
x. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now second question is, second question, 6m square minus 16m cube plus 10m raised to power 5 and we have to divide it by minus 2m. तो अभी क्या है, इस minus 2m को how many terms in the numerator? 1 2 3, 3 terms. Term number 1, term number 2, term number 3. तो इस minus 2m को तीनों term के अपॉन में लिखेंगे. तो we will write 6m square upon minus 2m minus 16m cube upon minus 2m and then plus 10m raised to power 4 upon minus 2m. Is it clear now? So
Yes, sir.
ये हो जाएगा 2 1 2 2 3 6, तो माइनस 3 आ जाएगा और m raised to power 2 minus 1. Then ये तो प्लस है और ये प्लस है मिलके सॉरी this minus becomes plus. Okay, plus 2 1 2 2 8 16, तो 8
Yes, sir.
power 3 minus 1 क्योंकि यहाँ m के पावर 1 है. then this plus minus becomes minus, ये जो plus और ये minus, ये plus minus minus, and 2 5s are 10, m raised to power 4 minus 1. So finally your answer is minus 3m plus 8m square minus 5m cube. This is the answer. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, 3m.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, clear.
Now, question number 3 and question number 4 to yourself. Okay, so question
Yes,
is 15x cube y square plus 25x square y cube minus 36x raised to power 4 y raised to power 4, and we have to divide it by what? We have to divide it by, tell me, we have to divide it by 5x square y square. Okay, so abhi how many terms? Term number 1, term number 2, term number 3, 3 terms. तो 3 terms के अपॉन में लिखेंगे 15x cube y square upon 5x square y square plus 25x square y cube upon 5x square y square minus 36x raised to power 4 y raised to power 4 upon 5x square y square. So 5 1 5, 5 3 15, 3 यहाँ पे आ गया. 5 1 5, 5 3
So
15.
3 will be the answer.
Yes, 3
will be the
and
first one.
x cube minus 2 and y square cancel हो गया यहीं पर. Same cancel. ठीक है. Then we will get plus here 5 5s are 25, x raised to power 2, x raised to power 2 cancel, and y raised to power 3 minus 2 यहाँ पे आया minus 36 upon 5, ये डिवाइड ही नहीं होगा तो इसे ऐसे ही लिखेंगे, and x raised to power 4 minus 2
5 raised to power 1.
and y raised to power 4
5
minus 2. So it will be, the final answer will be x raised to power 1 plus 5 raised to power 1
raised to power 1
and minus 36 upon 5
6
x raised to power 2, because 4 minus 2 होता है, और 4 minus 2 here also, तो 4 y raised to power 2. So this is the final answer. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the last part you have to do, and this is now completed. अब सब लोग कान खोल के सुन लो. Very important notice. Start doing your maths course. अभी तक क्या था, टेस्ट चल रहे थे. चलो अभी आपके कुछ टेस्ट और बचे हैं. तब तक के लिए अभी I'm not saying anything, but after the test you have to complete all the syllabus till where I have explained. I have completed. I want your course till 19D at least सबकी कॉपी में होना चाहिए. So अगर आप डेली बेसिस पे कर रहे हो, it will be easy for you to complete it. अगर आपने बिल्कुल छोड़ दिया और बिल्कुल भी नहीं कर रहे हो, it will be difficult for you to complete the whole course at a time. ठीक है, तो मेरे सजेशन यही है आपसे कि रोज आप 5 क्वेश्चन करते हुए चलो. ठीक है, पूरी एक्सरसाइज नहीं, बट 5 क्वेश्चंस. 5 क्वेश्चंस मींस